What's going on YouTube? This is Jabber Tech. Today we're taking a look at the My Passport Go from Western Digital. It has an SSD drive in there, so no moving parts. This is a rough and tough external drive that you can take anywhere and not have to be careful about it. Special shout out to Techfluence and Western Digital. I'm giving one of these My Passport Go's absolutely free to one of you lucky viewers. Make sure to continue watching the video to figure out how to enter. So let's get into this review of the My Passport Go. This is the 500 gig version. They also have a 1 terabyte edition, and you have really fast speeds because it is an SSD drive, so it's up to 2.5 times faster than your basic portable hard drive that has one of those old school spinners in it. This also has a 3-year guarantee. You have a built-in cable, which is absolutely great. And because it is an SSD, no moving parts. If it drops, you're really not going to lose any data. And that's super important when you have one of these external drives. That's what they say on the back, shock absorbing SSD. So let's go ahead, take a look at it, see what we get inside. This is your manual. Don't really need any of that for an external hard drive. And this is it. I actually thought this would be a lot bigger than it is, guys. We have it next to this iPhone 5S. And you can see just how tiny it is. Really a small hard drive. And again, don't worry about dropping it. You're not going to have any issues when this drops. And the case itself has some little bumpers on it. What I really like about this hard drive, you're looking at it right now, you have an integrated cable. So this just means that when you plug it into your computer, when you plug it into your tablet, when you plug it into anything, you don't have to go searching for a cable. You have one ready to go wherever you are. And this is a plus, especially if you're trying to get files from someone. You don't always want to search and ask them if they have any extra cables. A lot of times they don't. So I'm really happy to see an integrated cable into this. Once you plug in the drive to your computer, either Mac or PC, you have the necessary software already preloaded onto it. So all you have to do is double click, install the software, and then you're good to go. What I really like about the software personally is that it gives you the ability to create those backups of your entire computer. As someone who's had their hard drive fry, their main hard drive just absolutely crash on them, it was not fun trying to recover my files. If you've ever tried to do that, you know it's not an easy task and it's not guaranteed. But with the Western Digital portable hard drive, all you have to do is plug it in when you want to do those backups or leave it connected to your computer and have those automatic backups done for you either daily, monthly, or hourly. The speed of this external drive was really good. You are limited to whatever the speed is of your USB port, so just keep that in mind. But transferring files was a breeze, back and forth with no problems. Very simple and fast. Here's the moment you've all been waiting for. Do you want to get one of these drives absolutely free? Well, again, special shout out to Techfluence and Western Digital for allowing me to give one of these to you. So all you have to do to enter, go follow me on Instagram, jabber_tech. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to leave a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Let me know how rough you're going to get with this drive. And I'm going to pick one of the lucky winners at the end of the month. That's the end of July. So make sure to subscribe, follow all the rules, and you might just have one of these waiting in your mailbox. But let's go ahead and continue this review. Because the drive is so portable and you have this built-in cable, it's very simple to keep with you. So when you want to be productive, when you want to do some work on your tablet or on your phone, plug it into your tablet, your laptop, anywhere you go, and you're ready to do some work. You're ready to be productive. Save your files. When you're all done, just unplug it. Store away the included cable, and you're ready to go with no issues whatsoever. Let me know what you guys think about the Western Digital portable drive. I think it's an absolute win. You can toss it around, throw it in your bag, not worry about losing files because it is a tough SSD. It's built to travel. It's built to go wherever you go. So don't worry about dropping it. Your files are going to be safe and secure. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe to me on Instagram. You might have a chance to win one of these for your very own. Enter that contest. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.